Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger. This is Mrs. Stranger. This is Disney. This is T Stranger.
Hi.
And here we are at Disney Springs. And guys, the line for Gideon's here is not that long. We should really try to see if we can get some Gideon's baked goods. What do you think?
Yeah.
Someone who said it was probably about a half hour in line. We should really go check that out.
That is an awesome wait. Not long at all for Gideon's.
Yeah, for Gideon's, right? We gotta check this out. So guys, follow us and we're gonna head into Gideon's, which is way back there. And we're gonna get in line and we're gonna share some baked goods, some cookies with you.
Yeah.
Come with us on a big cookie hunt here at Gideon's at Disney Springs. Follow us inside. Gideons Bakehouse. Can't see the sign, but it's right there. We're here to get some what? Cookies?
Yes.
We want cookies. Yum yum.
So there's an August special cookie, is that right, Disney?
Rocky Road is the flavor. Dark chocolate, canned almond, and toasted marshmallow, which is really good.
How does that sound?
I'm excited to try it.
Yeah, I can't wait.
So T is not a big fan of dark chocolate. So which one are you gonna get? I might get the peanut butter crunch. That sounds yummy.
That sounds like a great choice. I love peanut butter. So you guys ready to go in?
Yeah, and the line was actually not too long. We were standing here for about 20 minutes.
No, that's not bad at all.
Yeah.
There's no virtual queue tonight, is that right?
Yes, no virtual queue this evening. I think because of the rain.
Yeah, everyone got scared away, and everyone got scared away because of the rain. They said a half an hour, but it's only been 20 minutes, so I'm super excited.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So Mrs. Stranger has no idea what Gideon's is all about. This is her first time discovering.
Utopia. Isn't there a Gideon and Utopia? Wow, this is cool. What atmosphere.
Yes, you can buy candles.
Oh, wow. What does it smell like? Cookie?
I don't know. Let's find out.
The smell in here is so delicious.
Oh my goodness. It makes you go off of your diet.
Now this cookie is a limit of 2, since it's the August limited edition. Peanut butter crunch. Okay, great. What kind do they want?
Pistachio?
Of course.
How much are the candles?
They're going to be $26.
Good?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Just a few cookies? Yeah. Perfect. Any cakes or drinks for you today?
No, we're good.
Yeah, good. For the 3 cookies, it'll be 19.70. Be cautious, the rocky road has little marshmallows on top, so it could be a little delicate. There we go.
Thank you.
We got sour cookies! Yay! So we got our cookies.
And wow, look at this presentation. Delicious things await.
Yum! So let's open the box.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that is so good. Like, it looks
Can I
so
take a
delicious. Does it smell good? So this is the Rocky Road August special. So delicious. Like, I want to eat it right now and gobble it up. Now this is the pistachio and peanut butter crunch cookies.
Oh my god. Is it that bad?
I want a bite now. Is it rich? Definitely get a lot of chocolate on your mouth.
Oh goodness. How do you even... Oh boy. So, let's see how I'm going to go about doing this without a fork.
Delicious.
Wow. Very decadent. Scrumptious. Totally recommend. You're in Disney Springs. It's well worth the wait. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this is delicious. Yummy. You don't even want this cookie.
It's dark chocolate. Can Disney Stranger try the cookie? Come on, you know you want some.
Yeah. How is it? There's actually peanuts on it.
But how is it?
It's good. It's very soft, and I like soft cookies. I want to try it with the peanuts.
Which one do you like better?
That one. I like that one better. I like that one better. Yeah, this is really good.
So you like that one,
Yeah.
and you like that one.
No.
Well,
I like this
they
one.
know what they like. Wow, Disney Stranger, look at the sunset. Beautiful. So on this type of cookie, we have pistachios, chocolate chips, and toffee. Yum. Let's try.
like the perfect balance of salt and sweet. So if you want salt and sweet, get this one because it's really good. I like it. It's not as good as the peanut butter one though.
That's your favorite?
The peanut butter one is my favorite. This one I don't really like because of the dark chocolate.
Thanks again, everyone, for joining us on this Disney Stranger Adventure here at Disney Springs. Visiting Gideon's Bakehouse and having some delicious, great, awesome cookies. Right, guys? Good cookies.
Amazing.
If you come here, you gotta try out the cookies at Gideon's because they are amazing. So everyone, have a great night, and always remember,
Don't forget to walk forward. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.